Today we're going to be showing you how to use the Stable Account website. First, you'll just go to stableaccount.com. In order to log in, you'll type in the username. If you don't know your user ID, you'll need to contact your director. Once you put in the user ID, you'll need to put in the password. Again, if you do not know the password, please contact your director. They should have all the username and passwords for all the individuals. Once you log in, it will take you to the home screen for that individual. This is a snapshot of that account. Please do not edit anything on this screen. It's simply there for you to see the information for that account. So if you click on the Your Account tab and go to Account Details, this will give you a little bit more detail about that person's account. Typically, you'll go to this page to look at the past year's contributions. Again, there's nothing on here that you'll need to edit. It's simply for your information. Also, under Your Account, there's Enroll a Beneficiary. You should never click on this tab. If you click on Transaction History, here's where you can see more detail about withdrawals, fees, and any contributions. To go back farther in history, you can click on these tabs and it will take you to earlier dates. The eGift tab is for when anyone wants to give a gift to the individual. This tab is completely managed by Margie Arthur. If you have any questions or anyone that wants to give a gift, please contact Margie at the information on the screen. Under the Financials tab, you'll see the one-time contribution link. This is where the individual can make a contribution to the Stable account from their bank account. The first step is to click the down arrow and choose the beneficiary. There should only be one name in this box to choose from. Next, you'll choose the contribution amount. Next, you will select the bank. There should only be one bank account in here. If there are multiple accounts and you don't know which one to use, please contact your director. Next, it will take you to a preview page where you can confirm the transaction. You must click to accept, and then click submit. You'll get confirmation that it was a success if you did it correctly. Best practice is to print 2 copies to make sure that you have documentation. Also, under the Financials tab, there's a link for automatic recurring contributions. If the individual would like to make automatic contributions to their Stable account, you must go through your director. Also, there is a link for payroll deduction. That must also go through your director. Next, there's a link for withdrawals. This link you'll actually use quite a bit. This is where you can take money out of the Stable account and move it into their bank account or a Stable card. First, you will click the drop-down box for the recipient. Unless specifically requested by somebody else, you will always choose the beneficiary. Next, you will choose the method for withdrawal. If you would like a check sent to the person, you will click check. If you would like it directly deposited into an account, you will choose ACH. Next, you will say transfer my funds to, and you can choose the bank account for the individual, or you can have it sent straight to the Stable card. When you click the Stable card, a pop-up will come up and it will tell you that the Stable card funding is limited to a maximum daily load of $5,000 and is limited to $20,000 total. Before proceeding, you must verify that the withdrawal you are requesting does not exceed that daily maximum and it doesn't exceed the $20,000 maximum total. You can check your Stable card balance at card.stableaccount.com. Click OK. Next, you will choose the type of withdrawal. 99% of the time, you're going to choose partial account balance. You should never choose close account, and if you have any questions at all, again, please contact your director. Next, you will choose the amount of withdrawal. You will always choose prorated. You should never choose designated withdrawal. Click Next. It will take you to a verification page to make sure that you do want to make that transaction, and click Submit. If you need to make any changes, you can click Edit. It will take you to a success page if you followed all of the steps correctly. Again, please make sure you're printing 2 copies for best practice and to have documentation. The last 3 links under the Financials tab, you should never need to view. Documents tab is where you will go to print any documentation that you need. You'll click Account Documents, and here you can view statements, correspondence, and tax documents. To print a statement, click View, and then you can print from the screen. You'll notice that the statements are not monthly statements, they are actually quarterly statements. Correspondence is any messages that are sent from the Stable account to the individual. Tax documents are handled strictly by our main office. The profile link is handled strictly by our benefits coordinator. If you feel a change needs to be made to the profile, please contact your director. If any changes are made to this profile link, an alert is sent to our benefits coordinator and they will be notified that that change was made. Please do not click on any of these links. At the end of your session, please make sure you log out because there is sensitive information that could be left on the screen.